Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to plan for the week of May 13th through to the 19th. And I feel like I need to put a pencil board behind that because it is gonna be hard to write with. My planner is getting super chunky, getting into the last, I guess, 6 weeks of this planner. Anyway, what I'll be decorating with is my Hawthorne and Bees collection from my newest release. So I have the deco sheet here, the Hawthorne and Bees circles, the dots and swatches, and the quote and washi. And I just realized there's an ink stain on here. Let me wipe that up and then let's get started. All right, so the pen that I'm gonna use is my Radius Settimo Marmo Bianco, and this has Ferris wheel, press, queen, and castle in here. Yeah? Queen and castle? Hold on, checking my brain right now. Yes, queen and castle. So I also want to find a really good washi for this because it's so light. I feel like anything would kind of drown it out, and I don't want to do that particularly. Or maybe I don't need washi. Maybe I'll just keep it just like that. So let's do this big bright green one down here, and then let's do the bright orange yellowy one here, and then I'll put this set of hawthorns. So I chose this because these were the flowers that were coming up when I Googled, you know, May flowers, and hawthorns were coming up along with the bees. And I thought, what a great, one, they're such pretty flowers, but they look like something that you could place just on, you know, like your table, and it's hard to describe what they actually look like in real life. But they're really, really pretty flowers, and they're so simple, I think. Simple looking compared to things like, you know, hydrangeas or roses or something like that. I feel like these are quite understated. So our flowers bloom, so does hope. Okay, and then here, I'm gonna use these. These were so fun to paint because the thing with hawthorns is that they're normally like a white color, and that's so challenging to paint with. So I decided to make them like a kind of beigey brown, and then these bees definitely make it stand out, which is why I love that. Put that one here. There we go. Now along the top, I want to save some of these as well because I will be using these in my daily journal. So along the top, I'm trying to think. If I use, yeah, you know, let's use this washi along the top here. It's like a meadow of hawthorn flowers. Oh, I like that. It's pretty, and I like the color of them too. They're neutral, but still springy. I'm gonna put those all across the top because they're so cute. And then I will probably put some bees around the spread as well. There we go. All right, so what I'm now gonna do is, where's my blotting paper? Write down the word sleep. I love this ink. And draw out the graph for my sleep score. And my sleep score I get from my Fitbit. And I've been measuring my sleep score for a few years now, and you know, to be perfectly honest, some days I think my sleep score does not coincide with how I felt. And other days I'm like, yeah, I felt that. That was good. So I don't know. Okay, and I'm not gonna write down what my workouts are gonna be because I'm actually waiting for another set of adjustable weights to come in, but they're currently delayed. So if they're delayed, then I can't start the new workout program I want to start. Otherwise, I could just do the weight training that I've been normally doing. So not a huge deal. Now I'm debating whether to put these down over top of that, and I might do actually. I think I'll use the orangey yellow ones to put right on top. Yep. Then maybe these ones on here. Ooh, I like that. Okay. Then I will put my work shift down here. This is exciting because Monday I get to go on a field trip with Henry, which means Lucy is going to get to go on a field trip to my husband's office. Because I am so used to having her, or she's so used to having me at home, that I don't want to leave her at home for, 8 hours on the Monday. So she's going to work with my husband, which will be adorable. But I am excited. So the way I'm going to notate that is using one of the dots here, maybe this one. There. Oh. I'm placing the blotting paper down, one of my favorite accessories. So, field trip with Henry. Very exciting. And then the to-do list is the usual meal plan and order groceries. I feel like you guys could tell me what my routine is now, since sometimes if I haven't listed it, so many of you are like, don't forget that you have to pick up groceries on the Thursday, which I find hilarious. I think that's so great that you guys know that. Then let's see, garbage. Oh, it's the last garbage sticker. So this is where my husband will put out all of the garbage bins. Also on Tuesday nights, my husband has his acting class, which I will notate with this. But I also have something going on that day too. So okay, there's a few things going on this Tuesday. Let's see. Oh, it's right in front of me. Okay. It's at 3 o'clock. I have a doctor's appointment. And then actually at 8:15, how do I want to write this? I'm going to put it actually just above. But I will write down 8:15. Okay, then nothing Wednesday. Friday, totally missed Thursday. Oh no, Wednesday is when our once a month cleaner comes. So I'm so grateful to be able to just take a break from cleaning 1 week a month. There we go. Then Thursday is grocery pickup. My husband picks up the groceries, and it's just such a lifesaver to have grocery pickup rather than having to actually go in and buy groceries. Like I actually do love walking around a grocery store, but I do find I spend too much money when I do it. The 17th, is there anything that I really need to be doing that day other than let's see. I don't think there's anything else that I need to be worried about that day in particular. These are all, and this is not all of them, but these are my mini icons. I have a few. Oh, there we go. So weighing scale. Go to Weight Watchers. 10. Oops. And then I will be picking the kids up and then taking them for our weekly boba. Or I could just use the car. There we go. Pick up kids. Because I don't pick them up Monday through Thursday. Because I have the days off on Friday. That's when I pick them up. 18th, 19th. Okay. The 18th, Rob has to drop his car off at the mechanic. So trail tire. Then on Sunday, the kids have their ninja and badminton. So I'm actually just going to put that like that and put their times one on top of the other. So R at bad. So Robin at badminton. 11:30. Oh, and it's just 1 o'clock. 11:30 to 12:30. H at ninja. And the great thing about their activities is actually they're not that far apart from each other. They're maybe about a 5-minute drive from each other. They're both on the other end of the city from where we live, but the vicinity of the two of their locations or their two activities is about 5 minutes apart. So that's actually convenient in that I don't have to worry too much about that. Okay, so let's put these away. So these sticker albums are from According to Allie, and I love them for all of my icon stickers. They're just so convenient. All right, I think that is it for me. Is there anything else fun happening other than field trip? Wow. It's so funny actually looking through my plan with me and looking at what life looks like, because there's some weeks where I'm like, oh, there's so much happening, and other weeks and I'm like, oh, that's my life. I don't know. All right. Oh, I forgot to put habits down here. So I'm finding it a lot easier to put habits down here than it is to look at it on the yearly tracker. And these are the habits that, you know, they haven't really changed throughout the year. These are the ones that I just really want to keep track of, you know, listening to an audiobook every day, read 10 to 15 pages of like my physical book, and then meditate. And I haven't been great with meditating for the last few months, so I need to get back into that. But it's nice to see it on a page that I'm looking at daily versus the yearly tracker. I hardly ever flip to, and it feels like more effort to do that. I don't know why, but it just is. All right, so that is it for me. Is there anything else I need to add here? I don't think there is, but I will be filming a week in the life daily journal video for this particular week, so you can see snippets of me going on a field trip with Henry and things like that. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.